Yo, what's good? We got week number 11. I'm trying to get my first payout from day trading at 17 years old. And this could very well be the last week of this journey. This could be the week where we get that payout. If you haven't already, watched my previous videos. Check them out right here. Because this might be the most interesting video yet, where we're literally this close to getting that payout. So just stay tuned to the end of this video. And if you just want to check in with my trades daily, make sure you check out my socials down in the description below. But let's just get into the video.
Day 50 trying to get my first payout from day trading at 17 years old. And today we ended up taking no trades today. Today could have been a banger day. If price retraced where I wanted it to go, we could have had a banger trade, but price just didn't retrace far enough for me to enter a trade. So coming in, I definitely want a price to come down and sweep these lows. Not even sweep these lows, but like come close. But we did have a bullish SMT right here. ES swept this low right here while NQ didn't. So we had a SMT, so that was more confluence. So all I wanted was price to come up, hopping on the 1 minute. All I wanted was price to come up, right? Price came up here after consolidating. Came up here. All I wanted was a retracement into 5 minute fair value gap down here. But price just started consolidating and going up. And it just didn't come back to my area where I wanted it to go. And then I just didn't trade for the rest of the day. So if price would have came up here, maybe retrace down into here, get a little order block and a fair value gap on the 5 minute, then I definitely would have entered and we definitely could have caught a dub today. But if it's not in your setup, then you shouldn't enter. It's all good. But yeah.
Got day 51 of trying to get my first pair from day trading. And as you can see right here, we took a big loss today. We lost around $930 today. Just look at this price action right here. I wanted price to go down and sweep that low I marked out, the black line I marked out, and it did that. And then all I wanted was an inverse fair value gap or just one of my confluences. And it just didn't give me that. So I was patient and I waited. And then price went up and then it went down and retraced and took previous low up there. So that just gave me even more confirmation because it didn't even go all the way down to take it. It just wicked it. So that just gave me way more confirmation. And then just looking at this price action right here, it's just terrible. But on the 1 minute, I got in early before all the consolidation, and it was low-key looking like a good setup. And it just didn't play out. Price went up in profits for a little bit, and then it just went all the way down to my stop loss, and I got stopped out. So now we're down on the account. We're down around 500 on the account, maybe 500 or 400 on the account, and we only have a $500 buffer left. So if we lose one more trade, we lose the account and no payout. It's crazy because we were this close to getting that payout. All we needed was 2 more dubs, and then just that first mistake just compounding on each other. But it's all good though, because I'm gonna get it back. But it's like I'm more confident in trading now, so I definitely gonna get it back for sure.
I just made $1,200 day trading at 17 years old. What's up, guys? We got day number 52 of trying to get my first payout from day trading. And if you haven't watched yesterday, day 51, make sure you check it out, but because you'll see why I'm so hype about this dub. Because all we needed was one loss to blow the account and no more payout. But we had a big, big, great win today. So all we need is one more dub to get a payout. That's crazy, but so if tomorrow if we catch a dub, we can get this payout like this. That's insane to me, bruh. It's really right here. It's really this close. But yeah, coming in the market open, my bias was definitely in an uptrend, right? But we had high impact news come out at 10 a.m. So I definitely wanted to trade after 10 a.m. and not before 10 a.m. because I didn't want to get manipulated and stopped out. So right here, news came out. So after this, I was looking for a trade. You can see this candle was a long wick. So if I would have if I would have traded before this, say this inverse fair value gap or something, we would have got stopped out. But yeah, wait to after. Then all I wanted to see was just an entry confirmation, just something like that. And it gave me that. It respected this fair value gap. And then the change of the state right here. So I just got in right there, targeting this high, but right before the high, just in case I edged it, you know. So yeah, slight little dub day. Probably slowly went there though. I was low key a little nervous these first couple candles. But then price picked up their momentum and then we ended up going up and up and up and up. I definitely could have left a runner. If I was trading 2 contracts, I definitely could have left a runner to previous high day because that was definitely a major draw on liquidity. But we only traded with 1 contract, so yeah, good dub today, $1,200. If we get a dub tomorrow, bro, we can secure a payout, bro. This might be the last week, bro. This might be the last week, bro.
Words can't even describe how mad I am right now, bro. Day 53, I'm trying to get my first payout from day trading, and we ended up blowing our account. All I needed was $200 to get a payout. $200. Just a smooth $200 dub. I get a $1,000 payout. And guess what I did? I forced the worst trade imaginable, bro. I tried the long in the obvious downtrend, and I tried the long at the top of the move of the retracement. Oh my gosh, bro. And yeah, I didn't set no stop loss. That's on me. This whole thing is on me. I take accountability. But I ain't gonna lie, I'm pissed. Look at this, bro. Look at this. Once I saw this email, bro, I almost punched a hole in the wall, but I know my mom gonna beat me, so I can't do that. But honestly, bro, I'm definitely gonna take a little break from trading, you know what I'm saying? Because it's not only that, but it's also the government shutting down. So when that's when the government's open back up, or when it whatever is going on with that, go back to normal, then I'm gonna hop back into trading. But in the meantime, I'm definitely take a break because this joint got me feeling different, bro. I was right here, bro. Right here. But I know God does everything for a reason. You know, this was my own greed, and it just showed me that I need to be more in tune with my spirit and be more in tune with God, because then I won't be greedy and stop being greedy and just trust in the process. Because if I would have never traded today, logged off the charts after seeing this garbage price action. This price action was the most trash price action ever, and I still decided to force the trade. Oh, I'm just disappointed in myself. I'm disappointed. I'm angry. I'm mad. I'm sad. I'm just everything above, you know what I'm saying? But it'll get better, hopefully. I didn't even want to post this video. I can't lie, bro. I just wanted to skip this video, not talk about it. But, you know, I try to preach authenticity. And how can you be authentic if you don't post a bad, too? But, yeah, I'm going to see y'all in a little bit, you know, when everything get back to normal. And just then I'm gonna get that payout for sure. I'm gonna back test in the meantime, you know. Still check the charts occasionally. Cause if I do trade, I'm gonna post it. Make sure I post it. But yeah, in the meantime, peace out.
What am I doing, bro? What am I doing? First off, I took a loss, a big loss, right? Tuesday, earlier in the week. Boom, we got it back. All we needed was a $200 win. And I ended up blowing the account, being dumb and reckless. I just tried to buy in the obvious downtrend and didn't set no stop loss and just was dumb. And that's totally on me, bro. I take a full accountability. It was right here, man. It was right here, man. Right here. This could have been the last freaking week, bro. But yes, we had to go and be greedy, and we had to go and blow it, bro. I did that on purpose just so I can drag out the journey a little longer, you know what I'm saying? Because I ain't wanted to end so early, you feel me? So, you feel me? I just had to drag it on. I wish! That's not it at all, I wish! I was fiending for that payout, but I was fiending. And I was just too freaking greedy. And that's on me, bro. So next time I'm even that close to a payout, I'm definitely not going to be that greedy. I definitely learned from it, for sure. I definitely learned from this and won't do this again. So next week, week number 12, we going to be starting from scratch. We're going to be buying a new eval account, and we just going to run it up, hopefully. But we definitely going to wait till the government opens back up, because right now the government shuts down, so I don't want to trade this terrible price action. Just looking at it is bad, so I ain't going to trade it. I'm going to just start back up when the government opens back up. Price action is a little back to normal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and just don't freaking be greedy, because you see what happens when you be greedy. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you stay tuned in the future for more though, because it's definitely gonna be more bangers. So stay tuned for more. Make sure you like and subscribe, comment down below, and just peace out.